to another video with Naturally D. So as you guys can tell, I got a Cricut. I'm so excited, you guys. Like, I have been wanting this for, I would probably say for like the past year. I've been doing like so much research and watching so many videos on it, and I'm just like, I want one, but it's expensive. And the one I got was the bundle, so it came with the Cricut, and then it came with like a starter kit pretty much, and I'll show you guys that right now. So the Cricut that I got is the sky blue. Sky blue is my favorite color, so let's get it opened. All right, so it's a box in a box. They have me working hard to get this out. Let me see and put this down. This is kind of heavy for one person. Oh, got it. Okay. Broke a sweat. So, first what comes in is, I'm guessing this is just a standard mat. It's light grip, so I honestly don't know what that means. I will learn what that means. And then it comes with, I'm guessing a little kit. It says, let's get started. Okay, now it's actually time to release the beast. Let's see. You guys, I'm scared. It's pretty heavy and I'm by myself. Let's see. Oh, it's not that heavy. You guys, it's so pretty. Oh, I love it. See, this just gives me an excuse to have everything in my house or office area, desk area, this color. Oh my god. It's so pretty. Okay, some more stuff did come in the box. Let's see. So it came with this little pen. I'm guessing it's like an accessory pen. I've seen this. It's not coming up, but you'll put it in here and it'll draw stuff for you. And then it came with a cord, of course, and then a USB cord to hook it up. But I do know the Cricut Air or Cricut Explorer Air 2 is Bluetooth compatible, so that's how I'm gonna be using this. I'm mostly gonna be using it on my my iPad. You guys, I want to see what it looks like inside. Let's see. So the next package is just this package. Whoa! This package right here. So let's open her up. It's like Christmas, I swear, yo. I love it. So first thing, when you open it up, you have this big, beautiful, what is it called? Portable trimmer. So that's what it is. So it came with that. These are too cute. So it came with 2 sets of markers. So the first set is this beautiful pastel colors. It's like perfect for Easter. Let me know if they have different color markers and if they just happen to put these markers in since it's close to Easter, or if they if these are the only colors that they have. But it came with these 5 beautiful pastel colors, and then it came with 5 different pens, and on the back of it, you guys, it shows you how like fine and how thick the pen is. I think that's pretty awesome. And this is like where you'll put like the accessories. I mean, you'll put the pen in the accessories, and it'll kind of look like that in your Cricut, if you can see that picture. And then it came with 2 needles and a housing unit for both of the needles. So one is like a thick one. I think this one is deep, and then this one is thin. And then it came with this set. So it comes with a spatula, it comes with a weeder, it comes with a scraper, a pair of scissors with a pouch on top of it, and then a pair of tweezers so you could pick up the vinyl and stuff like that. And on the back, it shows you like what each one is used for, and it gives you a picture and like a description. And then here's a scoring stylus. So a scoring stylus marks fine lines in paper for easy assemble. That's what that is. Super cute. Now we're gonna open her up. And it comes like that. Pretty, pretty, pretty. So it came with some black window cling or sling, and it came with red as well. So this would be perfect, probably even maybe for like wall decals, I feel like. Wouldn't it? Because it's not gonna get stuck or nothing. I don't know, we shall see. And then it came with a pack. Oh, cool. So it came with the pack of, what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different vinyl colors. So it comes in silver, black, red, light blue, dark blue, and green. And it came in, it's called the little sample. Wait, where'd it go? Oh, it's the little sample kit, I guess you could say, little sample pack. And then it came with transfer tape, and then, ooh, dry erase vinyl. How cool. It gives you like little things that you could do. And then here is the transfer tape. Pretty cool. You guys, this package, even though it was $330, this came with a lot of stuff. Like, I'm not even done, and it came with a lot of stuff. I feel like if I would have bought all of these things separately, it would have added up to way more, because just the Cricut itself, I believe, was like 2 something, or like close to like 240, between 240 and 270, I believe, just the Cricut itself. And this is without a coupon. I did not use a coupon for this. I just straight up bought it. But this, you guys, if you guys want a Cricut, and if you guys have the money, if you guys can spare the money, get the sample kit, because it gives you so many things that you could try and kind of play around with and figure out kind of what you like and what you don't like. So what else it came with is poster board metallics. What do you do with this? Oh, okay, so it's like you can make like boxes. I don't know. So it gives you like different things that you could do with it. And this is what it looks like. And then there's washi sheet designer. What does this do? Oh, how cool. That's cool. So it's kind of like scrapbooking. These are the different examples. This is what I'm liking my fur. And it comes in like these different textures and stuff. Too cute. Really cute. And then it came with some fox leather, so some fake leather, and it came in, looks like 5 different colors. Pretty cool, pretty cool. So there's lots of different things you guys could really do with these things. Like, oh my god, I'm super excited to try all these things out. And then it came with printable magnet sheets. It's cool. So it's like you could make your own little magnets. Very cool. And then it came with printable iron-on. Dark what? It looks white to me. But this is the things that it gave. And this is a printable iron. And then printable vinyl. Cool. So it's more vinyl things that we can do. I'm just so excited, you guys. I cannot wait to try these out. And then, oh, it's ripped. These are printable sticker paper. Cool, so I can make my own little stickers. Very cool. Those are the designs. And then it came with a variety pack of mats. So there's 3 different mats in here. So it comes with, oh cool. So basically it came with this blue mat and then these 3 additional mats. So another blue one, a green one, and a purple one. And I guess it goes from like sticky to stickier to sticky. I guess. I don't know. But yeah, you guys, I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys got a lot of good information from this, and I hope you guys end up getting one, because if you guys want to do this for your business, or if you guys want to do this for personal use, I wanted it for both, but mainly more so I could make labels for my business, so I could make business cards. I like to do everything myself, so this is definitely going to up my business, I feel, and my labeling definitely big time. So you guys, I really hope this video helped you guys. Please comment down below, please subscribe, and go watch my other business videos, you guys. I plan on actually coming out with a series of Cricut projects, or just Cricut things you could do with the Cricut and what you can make. So you guys stay tuned for those, and go ahead and watch those other videos. You guys, please do not forget to go shop at my shop. There is a code down below. There's a code down below for you guys that's 25% off your first purchase, and that is just a thank you for watching my video and purchasing from my shop. Again, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like this video, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so every time I post, you guys get notified. Again, you guys, thank you so much, and have a great day. Love you guys. Bye.